Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Motorola headphones to your iPhone. So to do this we have to first of all find this power button. It's located right here, and we have to click and hold it until this indicator right here starts blinking quickly. But first of all, just remember to power them off before using this pairing request. So when you click on each button, this indicator will be not activated. It means that our device is turned off. So click and hold that button and take a look for this indicator. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's blinking actually on the blue. It's really hard to visible. Okay, maybe right now you are able. It's blinking red and blue. It means that right now it's in the pairing mode, so we have to go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth, click on the switcher, select our headphones from the list. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.